What's up, everyone? Figured I'd give a quick update. Basically, this car is full bolt-on now. It also has a big turbo. It has the PRL big turbo kit. It has a GTX 2860R. So yeah, I'm just going for some data logs right now. Should be coming up soon. Oh shoot! I think I'm on the wrong road. I am on the wrong road. Well, darn. I'll be right back. Alright, so I think I'm going on the right road now. But yeah, car's full bolt-on. Going for data logs. I'm getting tuned by Derek Robinson right now at IMW Tune. Or, I think that's his company. It's IMW, I think. But yeah. By the way, if you guys ever want to do data logs, and you have a K-Tuner V1.2, don't do that, because this cable, I swear to God, gets loose so many times, and it's the most frustrating thing in the world when you're doing like a 15-minute log, and all of a sudden it just disconnects, and you're like, well, now I'm out of luck. So it's stupid annoying. I just don't use one, man. I gotta get a V2 because this blows. I got a cable sitting over my feet right now, and if I move my feet in some weird direction, all of a sudden my wire's gone, my log's gone, everything's gone. So not ideal. About to go in my third gear pull here. That's a nice straight road over there, so we're gonna try that. Oh, let me make sure I actually log. Alright. So third gear, 2K RPM, and now. Oh shit. Now that feels fast, and my radar's going off. That's also not ideal. Not what you want to be seeing after you do a run. Dude, that does feel really fast though. I'm gonna be honest, that's like kind of scary. I'm not used to this car feeling that fast. But yeah, hopefully there isn't a cop that just saw me going, you know, a weird speed in Mexico. I don't know if the Mexican cops really care, but we'll find out. You know, after I make this nice right turn here. That turbo does sound nice, I will say. It sounds very nice. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the power output that's going on here. Or that pole. I don't know, I figured I'd record it for my own keeping because I'm more so curious what it looks like. Other than in the moment. So, and I know I dump like a bunch of random videos on this channel, so it's kind of like my personal one. Turbo spool. Oh, the Bronco's trying to run it. Does he want the gap? Alright, well now I'm actually gonna head out. Thanks for watching if you made it this far. Maybe I'll post again. I don't know. Probably not.